Hello everyone, my name is Robin. I have been playing economical games from a long time and I know how to win them. From a long time I have been playing different games on the site Focus Bet and I know how to win. So this is the site Focus Bet. In this sites there are various games like Mines, Crash, Dice, Double, Tower, Jackpot and various slot games like these are the various slot games. This is the live section where you can see all the players who are playing different games, and this is the deposit section where you can deposit your money, withdraw your money, and this is the history where you can check the history of payments. These are the various payment methods. Our all-time favorite game is Crash, and I have already shown you many times how to make money in this game Crash, but today we're going to play a game Mines. So in these games, like I'm going to put our money here, like 500 and number of box, let's put 5 and we are going to play. So first great, going great. Oops, fine, next time we will make our money. Let's put 3 this time. 500, play here, okay. Now we're going to take our money back. So this was the whole process. Look, we put 500 and we made a profit. The previous round we lose, but we are going to recover everything, don't worry. No. This one, then this one. In this game you have to just put your predictions on the boxes. If there is no bomb in that box, you will make money, and if by chance there is bomb in that box, you will lose. But this is really fun game. Great, one more box. Fine. Okay, in another round. Here. The prediction is very poor. Take. Next round we are going to play again. We will start with the corners. This corner, one more in the center. We are going to take our money again. Look, now we are in the profits. Let's start with this one this time. This one, and this one. Look, within a small amount of time we made 820. This is the profit, and the good thing about this site is whatever amount you win, it will be updated here. So this is the live section where you can see different players who are playing, and these are the various payment methods in this site. So next round we are going to play again. Number of bombs we are going to put 3, bet amount same 500. Here, okay, here, fine. Next round, corner, and this corner also. Fine. Let's put 1000 this time. We will play big. Great. Fine. Another round. Take. So first we will recover our money, then we will play again. Corner. This box, fine. Sorry guys, sometime you lose, but we will make. Okay, here, 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 one more box, this one, fine, here, here. I'm just making a prediction, I'm not sure. Here, look. But this is fun game. Okay, 3 here, fine. Start with this, here. Okay, in the corner maybe this one. Great. One more box we will choose. Risky. Great. Great. Awesome. Each round we will try to make 900. Great. One more shot we will try. Here. Great. Now start with center. Again this. Maybe this. One more. Here. One more. Great. Look, we are back again in this game. Start with this, fine. This, one more, this. Let's take one more chance. Center. Great. We are now in profit of 600. Great. Going great. Let's try this one. Okay. Awesome. No, this one. Okay. Very good. We are doing great. We are now in the profit. Let's try this one. Fine. Don't lose hope, we will make money. Great. This one will take one more. Look. So with this, I think you all got the idea how to play this game. In this side focus bet, this is the game mines. In this you have to just make a prediction. You have to just click on the stars. If it is a star, you will make money, and by chance if it is a bomb, you will lose. So with this, I hope I am going to see you guys next time. For today, that's all. Bye bye.